Stop making kids apologize. They have no idea what it is. I can say to a kid all day, say you're sorry. They go, sorry, jerk. Right? Means nothing. Until apology is a feeling. So if I want a kid to apologize, I've got to teach them what that feeling is. And the feeling is when you have to say you're sorry to someone, something in here should feel bad, right? It's not about kicking someone under the table. You don't have to say you're sorry, you say excuse me. We spend our whole life saying sorry, excuse me. Just say excuse me, pardon me, whatever. But stop watering down sorry, because sorry has a deep feeling to it. And the person who has to apologize should actually feel bad. And that's what I want our kids to learn. And they should also be able to understand, what am I hoping the other person is going to feel as a result of my apology? For them to identify why they're doing it in the first place. Does it take a little longer? Yeah. But from the time they're in preschool, I don't just want to say, now you hit him with the block, say you're sorry. I want to say, when you hit someone with the block, you hurt them. And when you're hurt, you go, ouch, and you don't like that. How are you going to take the ouch away? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.